Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll talk about getting evolution shards in Clash Royale. Let's go ahead and get started. Evolution shards are special items in Clash Royale that let you unlock evolved versions of certain cards. They're rare, so knowing all the ways to get them is important. There are main ways to get evolution shards. First is by seasonal rewards. You can earn shards by completing the rewards that come with each season. Also, you can participate in Clash Royale challenges, where shards are often included as prizes. Then you can also participate in special events. They give evolution shards to help you unlock new evolutions. Special chests and promotions. Sometimes evolution shards appear inside unique chests or time-limited promotions. Evolution chests or bundles can show up in the shop. You can buy them using gems or real money. Then we have the Pass Royale. This is a paid battle pass. So if you're subscribed, some Pass Royale tiers include evolution shards as rewards. And please take note that you cannot craft or farm evolution shards right now. Since they're limited, it's best to save them for cards you usually and can actually use in battles. In summary, to get evolution shards in Clash Royale, you need to play seasonal events, complete challenges, check the shop for bundles, open special chests, or progress through Pass Royale. They can't be farmed, so use them wisely. That's it. We hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Thanks.